Becoming history. Second grade students at Hilton Head Island Elementary School dressed up as historical figures today. The Wax Museum featured several famous people from the past to today. Parents walked through the museum where they got to meet Benjamin Franklin, Amelia Earhart, Michelle Obama, and more.
I am Mia Hamm, and she is important because she was like the first girl to play on the U.S. national team at 15 years old. And like I love to play soccer. And so I kind of just chose her because I love to play soccer.
I'm Neil Armstrong. I learned that he was the first man to step on the moon.
The class has been learning about influential people, symbols, and monuments in America, and this project allows them to bring that history to life.
This culminating activity is where the kids have picked one famous American to research and to present to people from other classes, for parents to come and see us, and so that we can showcase what we've learned through this. History makes us who we are today.
All second grade classes took part in the Wax Museum at Hilton Head Island Elementary School, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
You look so good.